Hello, my name is David Hayes and I'm the owner of Artisan Piano Services. Over the last 15 years, our company has grown to become one of the Pacific Northwest premier piano servicing companies. With locations in both Oregon and Washington, our team of piano technicians service and maintain pianos for thousands and thousands of customers. We also have a complete restoration facility here in Portland, Oregon, where we completely restore pianos for our customers all over the world. We absolutely love pianos, and we absolutely love bringing this craft to people and making their lives that much more enjoyable by having pianos that are sounding and playing amazing. With this in mind, we've made it our mission to help train and educate piano technicians of the future. How we do this here with our own technicians is by training and giving them hands-on experience and apprenticeships. We know that the piano industry needs to help produce great piano technicians to help the acoustic piano thrive for generations to come. With this being said, I am beyond excited to announce that we partnered with one of the world's top piano technology schools, the Piano Technician Academy. Piano Technician Academy is an online school that educates and trains the future generations of piano technicians. Over the last 10 years, over 1,500 students in over 50 countries have learned this amazing trade and have learned something that they're going to be able to carry on for the rest of their lives. We've been asked to help provide our expertise, knowledge, and training into a whole new course. In fact, we've worked with Piano Technician Academy, rewriting everything, reshooting videos, and our team of technicians are going to be helping you as a student learn this craft and to be able to help field questions that you might have. We are so beyond excited to be a part of this because it really fits within our goal of helping this world of piano technology thrive long into the future. If you're interested in becoming a piano technician or just learning more about piano technology, go online to pianotechnicianacademy.com. We'll be able to answer all your questions. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.